something doesn't look right here. Do you guys can see? This is what we call defect. Clearly sign of defect in the roof. You guys must be wondering, is it the only defect in this building? You guys must be wondering too, right? So let's check it out. Almost forget, before we start our journey, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Mohamad Hadif, bin Mohamad Aminudin. And today our inspection will be conducted on Syarikat Syed Iskandar, College Pasir Salak, Blok Cemarai. Our mission today is to find 10 defects or more in this building, including structure, mechanical and civil. Let's find out. So for the first defect on this building is water linkage. The defect refers to water penetration through the roof area due to environmental factors such as dampness. It can cause damage to ceiling finish and reduce indoor comfort if not treated early. For the remedial, I'm suggest to do a rectification. Repair works are carried out to stop the linkage, such as sealing the affected roof area. Next defect is floor cracking. Floor cracking usually occurs due to poor workmanship and incorrect material usage during construction. This defect affects the safety of users and the overall condition of the building. For the remedial, I choose rectification. The cracks are repaired to restore the floor surface and to prevent further damage. Next is wall cracking. It's almost the same like floor cracking, but it happens in a different place. Wall cracking can be caused by temperature change, building movement and also construction related errors. It affects both of the appearance and structural condition of building. For the remedial, I'm also suggest to do a rectification, which is the cracks are treated and repairs to improve the wall condition. Next defect is missing component. This defect occurs when features are lost due to poor monitoring and also building management. It affects the functionality of the space. For the remedial, I'm suggest to do a replacement. New component can be installed to replace the missing part so that it can be used for the future. Next is peeling paint. This defect can commonly found in all buildings. Peeling paint is commonly caused by damp surface and environmental exposure. This defect reduces the aesthetic value of the building. For the remedial, I think we need to do a renovation. Repainting works are carried out to improve the appearance of the building and increase the value. Next one is damaged door or door detach. The defect happens due to improper installation, excessive force or lack of maintenance. It affects safety and accessibility of the building. For the remedial, I choose replacement. The damaged door is changed with a new one to restore its function. Next defect is vandalism damage. Vandalism refers to intentional damage to building elements such as walls, doors, and also facility. It affects the appearance and security of the building. For the remedial, I think we need to do a renovation. Repair and improvement work are done to restore the damaged area. According to this video, you guys can see it is non-functional facilities defect. This defect refers to building facility that fail to operate properly due to lack of inspection and also maintenance. It affects the performance of the building service. For the remedial, I think we need to do a servicing. Regular checking and maintenance are carried out to ensure the facility functions properly so that this lamp can be used after the service. Next defect is on fire alarm system. As you guys can see in these pictures, I'm pretty sure if fire happen in this building, it cannot be functioned properly because it already dislodged from its place. Why this thing happen? Because of poor maintenance in this building. It can endanger equipment safety. For the remedial, I think we need to do a servicing, which is the fire alarm system is inspected and maintained to ensure it operates correctly. Next defect is damage in the soffit board, which is at the roof. This happened due to water leakage, weather exposure, and unsuitable material. For remedial work, I think we need to do a replacement with a new board that have moisture resistant, and the roof area should be checked for any leak that will possibly be happen there. And for the last defect is missing window, which is a common defect in this building. A missing window affects ventilation, lighting, and also building security. It also exposes the interior to weather conditions. For the remedial, we need to do a replacement. A new window is installed to restore safety and also to make the occupants be comfort.
I think we already identified 10 defects in this building, or maybe more, which means we've come to the end of our inspection today. Oh, I didn't realize there were actually quite a lot of defects in this building. Most of these defects are actually quite serious if you guys look closely, and they could also be dangerous for the students in this college. Overall, this shows that the building still needs attention and proper maintenance. I sincerely hope the responsible parties at this building will take a serious action and fix the issue that I already highlighted, so that all the residents can live in a safer and more comfortable environment. That's all for our journey this time. Thank you guys for following along, and I really hope to see you guys again in the future. Goodbye guys. Thank you.